crystal come off or your hair coming off. So let's do some precision glue gels on to keep them in one place. So I'm go ahead, and there's a dual end. So one end with the needles doing, you can use it for really like precise details area, like a little edges without having like all messy on your crystal. So I'm using the needle ends a lot. And then also if you are doing a lot of metal frame, you can using on the other end, you open this, it's gonna give you like an option of little precision brush. So then you can able to use those. So I'm go ahead and check. I feel scratchy right here. When you do that, your clients also feel it too. So I'm gonna seal it on the pearls right here. Usually I seal on the pearl to just like make sure. And then go around. Make sure this one needs to cure for 2 minutes with your 3D condensed glue gel, like a triple thick condensed glue gel. Make sure you cure and then have the clients just turn the hands back and forth. So make sure that all the edges of the crystal, which is underneath the condensed glue gel, will be really secure cure. It's gonna fall off if it not cure properly. So we're gonna check and seals this beauty like crystal here, and then this pearl we sealed on the pearls, but then we are going to seal around to make sure. And then if the client says after they're done, they run through their hands, oh my god, Nancy, it's still catching my hair, you can also seal it again, repeat it as you needed it, but make sure you are going to flash key at 30 seconds first before you moving on the second route of your precision glue gels. All right, so I'm gonna key this for 60 seconds. 1 second. And on this one, I'm doing the same thing. They're so cute and adorable. I'm gonna seal the frame. The frame. Can you believe that I didn't using any beads today? So beautiful with or without the beads. I'm gonna seal. Yeah, and then we are going to check to see if the glove like crystal stayed nice. I love it how the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat will grab it absolutely in one place. Now get this twin tip brush for a second. And I blend it because in that way it looks really nice and floral, so it doesn't look lumpy bumpy. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Get that bottle. And make sure don't lose this red cap. This will protect your precision glues on for a long time. And then on the other ends, let me open for you so then you can use it for the bigger like metal pieces. Like if you're using these metal pieces on the nails, you want to use a brush to brush it all and then completely seals on it. Okay. Here is the final looks for this. Okay. I need